AI is no longer a future advantage. It's a survival skill. Problem: using AI isn't the question. Learning it the right way is. Most small businesses are learning it the wrong way. Owners feel stuck, paralyzed on where to start. Too many tools, conflicting advice, feels complex, and that quiet fear of being replaced. Let's flip that. Principle: AI is leverage. It scales your judgment and your speed. Big companies buy AI. Small businesses learn AI, and that's the edge. The biggest mistake? Starting with tools instead of problems. Learning prompts instead of workflows. Copying enterprise playbooks that don't fit. Business-first AI. Follow revenue, not curiosity. If it doesn't make money or save time, it's noise. Framework: use this 3-layer learning model. Layer 1, business use cases. What to automate first. Sales follow-ups, customer support replies, marketing content drafts, proposals and emails, internal documentation. Rule: if it doesn't save time or make money, ignore it. Next, Layer 2, AI skill sets. What to actually learn. Asking better questions. Define goal, audience, constraints. Workflow design. Inputs, AI, outputs, with checkpoints. Human-AI collaboration. You set direction. AI drafts and does the grunt work. Quality control and judgment. Verify facts, tone, compliance. Coding is optional, useful sometimes, not required. Finally, Layer 3, tool stack. What matters? One core AI assistant for text and analysis. One automation layer to connect apps and trigger steps. One data source, your CRM, docs, or knowledge base. Teach tool discipline, not tool hoarding, depth over breadth. 30-day plan. Week 1, map your processes, list repeats, time them. Pick one revenue-facing workflow. Week 2, replace one manual task with AI. Measure minutes saved and error rates. Week 3, make it repeatable. Inputs, prompts, outputs, QA. Run it daily. Week 4, train the business. Document steps, create templates, teach the team. Measure ROI. Track simple signals. Time saved per week. Cost avoided. Speed to market. How fast a draft becomes a deliverable. Decision quality. Fewer revisions, happier customers. AI is a profit multiplier, not a toy. Long-term small businesses win because you move faster. Less bureaucracy. Direct feedback. Founder-led experiments. Ship in days. AI is the great equalizer. If you learn it like an operator. AI won't replace small businesses, but those that learn it will replace those that don't. The advantage isn't the tool, it's how fast you learn and apply it. Start with one process. Ignore the hype. Build workflows that hit revenue. See your first ROI in 30 days. Result: 5+ hours back weekly, 1 new client. Ready to start?